617, I set by. Live like a king. 617, I step hard. Ain't built like me. 617, I sell y'all a bunch of feet. 617, I bet y'all ain't built like me. Nobody.
What's going on, YouTube? My name is Fahim and I'm back with another video. And as you guys saw by the title, in today's video I'm going to be installing Hi-Rev's QI wireless charger pad, and I'm going to be installing it in my 2020 Civic Si. So let's get into it. Alright guys, like I said, we will be doing a QI wireless charger pad install. This is the box that it came in, and like I said, I ordered it from Hi-Rev Sports. If you guys want it, I will leave a link down in the description below so you guys can check that out. But this is the box it came in. It's got the Hi-Rev Sports taped all over it. So we'll open it up. I poked the holes in it because I was trying to get the address out, but don't mind that. So this right here is a wireless charger pad itself. So we'll take it out the plastic here and I'll show you. So this is what the pad looks like. This is where you put your phone on. Obviously your phone has to be wireless charging capable. So yeah, this is basically will go right here. So I'll show you guys how to install that. So we got the pad. Let's see what else came in the box. Some 3M sticker and I guess some instructions. I don't know if it's instructions. It's probably just a note. The wires that we need to connect everything is going to be connecting through the e-cigarette lighter, so we're going to be going into that. And what else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what we got in the box. So basically we just need this, and also what you need is a pry tool. Got my tools right here. Just gonna use the pry tool because we're gonna need to pry this open, and also the e-cigarette we're gonna have to pry it from right here. So yeah, what you guys need is just this pry tool just to get the things open, and other than that, just buy this and you'll have everything you need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap up the GoPro to my head and I'll give you guys a point of view of how to install this. So let's get into it. Alright everyone, I am strapped up to the GoPro, and hopefully the quality isn't bad because I'm a little zoomed in on it this time so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So hopefully the video quality is good. But basically, first things first, you need the pry tool, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to use this end and pry this open. So try to get it into the corner and just pry it open. I've never done anything like this, so it's my first time also. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so best way to get this to slide in is have this part go underneath this, because you're gonna have it be stuck, but have it right here. It's able to slide right in. As you guys can see, it's coming out a little bit, but nothing's clipped. There's a whole bunch of clips in here. I don't know exactly how many, but boom, one side. Just slide it along. Try to lift it as much as you guys can. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't know, maybe I should put some lights on. I don't know if that will help. But yeah, let's get this other side. There's nothing really you can push from the bottom. So you just gotta keep wiggling. You can pull it from the back here. Seems like there's one other clip that hasn't come out. Alright. Got the whole this end. Now it's just some back pieces that's stuck. Oh, there we go. Boom. Got the whole thing out. That's what it looks like in there. But we got this whole thing out, so that's good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this thing off. Let's take this sticker off real quick. Don't want it on there. And basically, this should, I'm not gonna put it in yet, obviously, but it should just be like that, and that's how it should fit. Yeah, looks like it works, but that's not what we gotta do right now. So what we gotta do now is, hopefully you guys can see this, but you're gonna wanna put your pry and squeeze in between here and try to pop this thing out, because you want to get into all the wiring that's at the e-cigarette. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see. Let me check if you guys can see what I'm talking. Yeah, you can see. All right, let's just get in there. Right, guys, we got it open. So what you actually want to do, for mine, there is this little cover thing here, so you're gonna want to move this. I took this smaller one and I stuck it underneath this small little hole right here, and then I used the second one and I pulled together. It took me a little while, but I finally got it open. So first thing you want to do is disconnect this wire right here. All right, finally was able to get it out. Struggling with that. So what you want to do now is, where the hell are the wires? Am I sitting on them? Yes, I am. Alrighty. So now what you guys want to do guys, so what you want to do is connect that to this, and then what you want to do is connect this to this plug right here that we took out earlier. Squeeze that in there, make sure it's tight, and now we grab the pad from here. You know why? Because you gotta just connect it to this. That's why. And boom. Don't know why there's actually a red light. Here, let me take my phone out this whole thing real quick. I don't think there should be a red light. That's not good. So I'm not too sure why there's a red light. But there's a red light. Give me one second. Correctly. There we go. As you guys can see, it charges. So I think it just stays red when there's nothing on there. Or maybe, yeah, I think it just stays red when nothing's on there, because I'm not too sure. But right when I put it back on, okay, maybe it's not. No, it is. I think it has to be, you see these two like cracks, it has to be right in between that. All right, take it off one more time. It turned red. Put it in between. It turns green right away. Look at that. All right. So we know that works, but what we're gonna have to do is disconnect this one more time. All right, so what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to fish this wire down assume the best way is just through the hole, right? Let's just put it right down here. As you guys can see, just fish this wire right through the hole, the opening right there. Pull it down. And as you guys, alright guys, so I got it in a perfect spot where I fished the wire. So what you want to do with that little pad they gave you, stick the 3M side to the top, not to the bottom like I had it. Stick it to the top and just try your best to place it in the middle as you can. Try your best to place it in the middle so it just sticks to the pad. And then boom, just lay it flat down and push in so you know that's in there perfectly fine. Like I said, I fished the wire, so I gotta connect this. Let me connect it one more time. Boom, the light turned on as you guys saw. That's perfectly fine. Let's put all that back in there and just clip everything back up here. If I can. Oh. It's not sure what's going on here. Maybe there's some wires stuck. Make sure all the wires are in properly so you can close this properly. I think that's what it is. I think it's the fact that I am fishing that other wire. I think it's the other wire that's causing it not to go in correctly. There we go. Pushed it in on all sides. That's good. We'll put this thing back right here how it was. That's all good. Where's my phone? It dropped here somewhere in between. As you guys see, it's red. Phone is not charging. Put my phone in between. Boom, it's charging. Still get your cigarette lighter, you can use that, and that's fine. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys a product on my phone, so I won't be able to show you it actually charging with another phone since I'm using my phone to record this clip, but you guys did see it was charging on the GoPro, my phone. So as you guys can see, so apparently when it's not in use, there will be a red light. I don't mind that, you know, the interior is red anyway. I don't mind that red light. So this is the pad right here. As you guys can see, I had to put it through the cigarette lighter. There's nothing here, and what I like is that it didn't have to just be a plug here, so I can actually use this for something else, and the wireless charger is on. So this is constantly on. This is not one where there's a power button where you turn it on and off. This one will constantly be on, so whenever you just need to have your phone placed right here. Obviously it needs to support wireless charging. It just needs to be in between these two bricks or lines, whatever. They need to be right in between that, and your phone will start charging perfectly fine. But yeah, everything looks good. That's what it looks like from here. I did fish the wire from here, but it's behind this thing now, so you can't see it at all. It looks good. It looks stock, basically. Like, it looks good. So now that's just another upgrade that I got for the car. So if anybody else is in the car and they need to charge a phone, they can just put it right here and boom, quick and easy. So yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick video on how to install the QI wireless charger pad for your Honda Civic. It doesn't have to be a SI, it works on any Honda Civic. And if you guys want the wireless charger pad, again, it's from High Rev Sports, and the link will be in the description down below. So check that out, and hopefully this video was helpful on how to install it. It was my first time installing it, and I'm not that good at doing stuff like this. So it was a pretty easy install even for me. I was able to do it. And it's just a nice touch to have if you got a lot of people in the car, people need to charge their phone. So it's something that's easy. You can just place it right on the pad and charge your phone real quick. So I think it's a nice touch to have in the car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Nobody, I just roll 4 blunts, more Ivy. Hey, ball pocket in the corner, I called it. Place your bets, I'll raise them, bitch, show, been